welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another challenge, and I am your girl Lee.
Yeah, hello
So guys, today's
Oh yes, it's going down.
It's going down.
So tell
I
me,
don't
what
know.
are we doing today?
Today guys, we are doing the spicy wings challenge.
Woo!
And we bought this Nando's extra hot, but we were looking for extra hot. We just couldn't find it, so we opted for this one. So what we're going to do is, I am challenging this girl to finish her 8 weeks before me.
Alright.
And if she doesn't finish them before me, she's going to do my laundry. If she finished before me, I'm going to do her laundry.
You heard it,
Yes, guys, that's what's gonna happen. And we have some milk, to just, calm the flames and everything. And then we have 8 wings. So now we cook them because, the chicken weekends and the where they are very far. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour this sauce on this wings.
Alright,
And
let me drink my milk first.
We are going to challenge each other to finish these things. It's about to go down.
Bring it on, I'm ready.
Do you think you're going to win this one?
No, let me not say anything.
Okay, guys, I'm definitely winning this one.
Alright.
8 weeks, guys. We don't have a timer. We're just eating.
We shall
The first
see,
person to
okay.
finish
We'll
is the winner.
Woo. It's going to be lit, guys. Yeah, my friend, pour for yourself there. How?
I want it to be
That's
big before I
too
can
much.
pour for myself.
Oh. Guys, it's going to be lit.
Should I add more?
Ed, there, you robbed yourself.
No, I didn't
Look
rob
at
myself,
my
my
friend.
friend.
Look at your
You must
wings and
remember
look at
over
my
to me
wings.
now. I'm using it. Oh, you can take these ones and then I'll eat those ones.
Yes, it's fine.
Is that take them?
You see, Ed,
No, but
Ed,
look at this.
Ed this side.
Guys, all of
Look
us
at
you
this
can
one.
see over to
Look
there.
at this one, guys. There's
Okay,
too much
so
sauce
let me
here.
get it.
Yes. Don't rob another child. It's fine.
Guys,
Fine.
it's here.
Alright.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. We are going.
Alright.
Guys. This and nice. One down.
This thing is hot, guys.
See, now we are pros, guys. We don't complain. With how much I have wings now, I'm not going to leave any stone unturned.
2 down.
I see you. It's down. Guys,
Guys, I'm not about to do a laundry. No, I refuse.
we've been in this game for a long time. This is nice. I'm starting to sweat.
We are robbing you. Are you sure you had 8 wins? You. Ah.
How can I rob you when it comes to meat?
But you, my friend, you are a fast eater.
That it's the same thing here. We're in a fight, we're in a war. Let's accept good type boy. Relax and talk.
Guys, it's just a fast eater, this one.
There's not such a thing like a fast eater. When it's a challenge, you must learn to eat fast.
But you know when we eat, you always finish first.
I have my laundry being taken care of this week, guys.
Guys, it's fine, but she's just a fast eater.
I told her I was about to say, let me allow you to win in my channel. I was like, how? But this was nice. This said if you take me to a restaurant and I do this,
I'm no longer going to take her. If I take you to a restaurant and you lick your fingers,
guys, this was nice. This was literally a game changer. I wish we would have gotten the extra hot. But this is very hot also.
like guys, I'm sweating.
My lips are not burning.
I'm sweating, guys.
So guys, that was it for the challenge. Okay, that was it for the challenge.
Let's go.
Tina, just a game.
Yes.
Yes, girl. Ngizokususa amabhozeni.
Yes, girl.
Ngisusa amabhozeni. Ngizokususa amabhozeni mntase.
It was very nice, guys. Yo.
This is nice, but it burns as you eat.
So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Support another child, guys.
Yes, support your girl's channel.
Yes.
Until next time, guys. Bye. Woo. Yes, sis.